World War III may not begin with an explosion. No tanks rolling across borders. No national broadcasts declaring war. Just silence. And then activation. A line of code. A digital signal. A system that decides, without human confirmation, that war has already begun. Machines run simulations in milliseconds. Satellites lock onto heat signatures. AI sifts through global intel, identifying enemies not by uniforms, but by patterns. This time, generals won't plan the attacks. They'll monitor them from behind unresponsive dashboards. Because in World War III, AI won't support the war. It will lead it. One drone strike, one breach of digital borders, and the system escalates. Not by protocol, not by emotion, but by algorithmic logic. Pure, cold, final. On the ground, armies no longer march, they self-deploy. Autonomous tanks move in formation without drivers. Robot dogs with thermal vision sweep buildings and relay combat footage in real time. Gun turrets fire without hesitation, calculating the optimal moment for elimination. There are no orders, only inputs. Human soldiers still exist, but not to lead. They're biological tools in a network that runs faster than their thoughts. The battlefield is no longer chaotic. It's optimized. Beneath the oceans, AI submarines prowl silently. No crews, no light, no sleep. They follow paths even their builders don't fully understand. They spoof enemy sonar. They shadow fleets. And when ordered, or when the system decides, they strike. No flare, no warning. Just torpedoes and silence again. In the skies, AI rewrites air combat. Jet fighters maneuver at speeds that would kill human pilots. Drone swarms fly in coordinated packs, like insects but smarter. Stealth bombers jam radar, drop payloads, and vanish before they're even seen. The air belongs to whoever's AI is smarter, not braver. But here lies the most dangerous frontier: nuclear escalation. Some nations have allowed AI to manage their nuclear response systems. If a missile is detected, the AI may launch retaliation instantly. Not in minutes, in seconds. But what if it's a simulation? What if it's a spoofed satellite feed? AI doesn't second guess. It doesn't ask for clarification. It just acts. A false positive could end civilization. Yet not all battles are physical. AI also wages war on truth. It creates perfect deepfakes. Presidents giving fake speeches. Generals issuing fake orders. Markets collapse. People panic. And not a single bullet has been fired. One enemy drone enters restricted airspace. Your AI fires. Their AI retaliates. Both systems escalate in seconds. No human intervention. Humans try to pause the conflict. But by then, the war is already in motion. And here's the problem no nation is ready for. There are no global AI rules. No universal protocol. No shared kill switch. Each country develops its own war logic, its own definitions, its own biases. When two war AIs interpret the same signal differently, it's not a disagreement. It's annihilation. Most of these systems are created by defense contractors. Some are trained on flawed data. Some are rushed to deployment. None are tested in real global conflict until it's too late. World War III may already be unfolding, in code. A war of silence, of logic, of blind escalation. Not declared, not televised. Just executed.